So in this video, I wanted to talk about how to actually grow your LinkedIn, and I also wanted to talk about why it's so important. A lot of people disregard LinkedIn and it's really undervalued. LinkedIn is the biggest professional network and it has more than 500 million users. And look, you can find anybody on LinkedIn. You can definitely find your perfect customer because LinkedIn is a professional network. In it, you can find all kinds of professionals. And let's say you're a digital marketer and you want to find a restaurant owner. You can do so in LinkedIn and you can do it so easy. I can't even explain it in words. It's one of the best social media platforms to actually use if you are a business owner. Look, LinkedIn is Facebook for professionals. You can find your perfect customer there and they're basically one button away from connecting with you. So it's super easy to actually find your perfect customer, and if you haven't, you should get on LinkedIn as soon as possible. It's the biggest professional network and it can really help you out with finding clients. But right now we are going to talk about how to actually grow it. So let me go in LinkedIn and actually show you. So as you can see, I am in LinkedIn right now, and you can see I've bought the premium, but that's not mandatory. It just has some advantages that I can use. And look, I have 4,523 views of my profile, and I also have 1,442 views of my post. And this post I posted 4 days ago, and right now I have 1,442 views of my posts in the feed. So as you can see, I have 12,837 followers, and most of those people are actually people in my niche, people who could use my services. So I've done it in a smart way, and let me show you how my account looks. This is my account. As you can see, this is my name, founder at SDMK International. This is my company, and where I've studied and so on. You can see here that I have 4,500 views of my profile, 1,400 views of my post, and 226 search appearances. So when somebody searches for something, I've appeared 226 times. Do you realize how big of an opportunity this is for you? So anyways, let me show you this. I have written 14 articles. As you can see, this is the last one. And let's just say this one. As you can see, it has 62 views, and on LinkedIn, articles actually have less views than normal posts. So it's normal. As you can see, I had 1,400 views on my post, and on my article, I only have 62. And I also have 6 likes. I also have 2 shares. It doesn't really matter how many views you have, and if it's a big number. The only thing that matters is that people who have actually read this article are actually interested in this. So they're interested in what I have to say, and they've clicked on the article and actually read it. And there are also 6 likes. So those are people who actually liked the article, and now I can go out there and start talking with them and how they could use my services. But we are going to discuss this in the next module. Anyways, you see the power of LinkedIn. I still haven't shown you how to grow your account. So let's do this. Let's say you're searching for people who have a marketing company in California. So let's go here in the search bar and actually click on people. And now I get 4 million results. And those results are from people who are in my first and second degree of connections. First connections are people who are in your friend list, basically, in the list of your connections, who you've already connected with. Second are basically people who are connected to your connections. And third are people you haven't connected with and your connections haven't connected with. At least that's what I think it is. So if I'm wrong, you can correct me, of course, but I think that's the basic explanation. Let's search for people in California who have a marketing company. So let's say we are searching for first and second degrees, people who are already in our connections. So how do you find people who actually have a marketing company in California? I've chosen first and second because first are the people who I've already connected with. Second are people who are connected with my connections. So what I'm going to do is actually go here in keywords and I'm going to type founder in title. And also I'm going to go in locations and actually choose California. Let's say Orange County. in California. So as you can see, LinkedIn automatically refreshes, and those are basically founders of companies in California. So let's say I'm searching for a marketing company. So I'm going to go in industries and actually, click on marketing and advertising. But what you can do is actually add one. Here you type the industry you're looking for. In this case, we're going to search for marketing and advertising, and I'm doing this just to show you how you search for industries. So marketing and advertising, and as you can see, I have 23 results. Now, I don't have so many connections from California, so that's the reason I have so few results. But actually, you can see I have 23 people who have a marketing company in California. So let's say we were searching for restaurant owners and not marketing companies. So let's go into industries. We're going to remove marketing and advertising, and we're going to enter restaurants. So as you can see, I don't have any restaurant owners from California in my connections. We're going to remove California, and we're going to click United Kingdom. So let me just click on United Kingdom and see if I actually have any connections from the United Kingdom who have restaurants. So locations, United Kingdom. Okay, so right now you can see I have 8 results. 8 people are in my connections who are from United Kingdom, and they also have a restaurant. So what I'm going to do is actually click on connect, send now, and you can actually add a personal note. So, hey, I want to add you to my network. So you basically send an invitation and you're done. And that's how you actually grow your account. And that's how you actually grow your LinkedIn with people who would be interested in your services. In the beginning, when you have 0 connections, you want to be actually able to send those people a connection request. So what you're going to do is go here on My Network, and first you'll have to add people who are not in your niche. So you'll just start adding people like this and add those people, grow your account a little bit, and then you can search for people in your niche. I haven't entered LinkedIn in 2 days, and I already have 24 connection requests from people who could probably be in my niche. So let's see. This is a person called Helen Anthony, a British luxury high fashion brand. So right now I can accept this and actually try to talk to them about what I can offer them. So do you see how easy it is to actually grow your LinkedIn? And again, I have to warn you, LinkedIn is not so, strict with its limitations on following people, but they still have limitations. And if you exceed them, and nobody knows exactly where the limit is, but don't exceed 300 connection requests per day. At least in my opinion, it's better not to. On LinkedIn, people accept connection requests pretty easily. So most people will accept your connection request. Like 50% of people will actually accept your connection request. And if you send 300 today, you have 150 accepted requests by tomorrow. So, don't overblow it. Don't do too much, because then LinkedIn will ban you and then it's not good for you, So don't do this, but also add people. Add 300 to 400 people every day, and 50% of them will actually accept your request. So this is it for this video. I showed you how to grow each and every one of your social media platforms, at least the important ones that you have to have as a business owner, as a person who actually offers, services to other people. So I hope you enjoyed this module. You have actually just completed this module, and from the next module, we'll start discussing how to actually get clients, the best part. So meet you there.